We are here to evict the encroachers in this wetland. You know, we are responding to the presidential directive. Recently, the President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni directed that we evict all encroachers from the wetlands. And the Nema head office has started here in Ubiti, and our regional offices are also doing the same things in their localities. We started yesterday in Mbale, in Ibira, and in Barara. Today, Nema regional office is here. It's supported by KCCA, supported by Uganda Police, supported by the Ministry of Water and Environment, and the other stakeholders.
People say it never warned them.
This is not true that Nema did not warn these encroachers. And when our inspectors identified at this place that people were encroaching on this wetland, we came. Our education and advocacy unit came to speak to them, to sensitize them why they should leave this place. Then we returned and gave them an eviction order and restoration notice. So these people agreed, we agreed on this day, 13th October is the eviction day. And that's why we are here. Nema never does things outside the law. Restoration order, eviction comes through a process. We alert you, we sensitize you, then we effect when you refuse to leave the place.